Okay, this is live stream number first, in which we will start getting MATLAB. So MATLAB, mostly people know about MATLAB, but there are some parameters and tools. So this above toolbox is known as MATLAB Home tab. Okay, MATLAB Home tab. This above button is known as MATLAB Home tab, and this is editor window, and here is our command window. Here is our workspace. Here is our current directory. We can call the MATLAB command window as a calculator. We can use MATLAB command window for performing our simple calculations. Yes, this is editor window. If we have to write some effective code, like a lot number of code, then we using this editor window to when we using editor window to write our code. Okay, the third one is home tab. Home tab is many things like line, latex, hypertext, bold. This is for further purpose. We are not going to discuss it today, but view is means it's view of or interface of MATLAB. Okay, so home tab, plot tab. What is plot tab? Plot tab for plotting and this and that. Okay, so I think our command is also active, so let's start. Let me close these both. Okay, I think close, please. As MATLAB is too much big, and this is almost, my PC's performance is too slow because of many reasons, and we have one person watching us. That is extremely not good, and not good potential to push me up to till this level that I can start. But I am getting start. What can we do? You know, big. This is a big blunders. Let me close this one. Okay, we got editor window, a command window. Command window is used for a live calculation, like 2 plus 3. I said this is a wait. I have to just close down my this to MATLAB so I can work perfectly without any hesitation. That's my first experience, so sorry for that and inconvenience. This is my first experience, and I will trim this part, don't worry. Even nothing is working, alright. Even taskbar is also not responding. You can imagine how much softwares are how it open. Okay, it's working perfectly. Let me go into this. Okay, so hi friends, welcome back to this online stream of MATLAB image processes. So in this online stream tutorial, we will discuss MATLAB image processing, and also getting started with MATLAB. We will discuss more about MATLAB and basics, and then we will discuss MATLAB image processing. Okay, so uh, so first of all, let me introduce you with the let me introduce you people with MATLAB interface. This is known as command window, and this is a workspace, and this is editor window. This is current directory in which we are working, and here is a home tab. Okay, so if you peoples are stuck if you people are stuck of getting MATLAB, so you can use online or offline variant. Online variant MATLAB online you can use. For that you need license. If you want to use MATLAB online and you don't have license, kindly comment down below. I will personally contact you and give you license. Okay, and if some people want to use desktop variant, so comment down below. I will personally contact you people and give you a MATLAB desktop variant license for lifetime. So stay tuned with us. Let's start. First of all, I want to do some calculations. Okay, because image is a matrix. Image is like a matrix, so we will uh, do some we will understand some basic before. So let's this is a command window is used to calculate rapidly things, like we did 3 plus 2 which gives us 5. Now I give 2 cross 3 which gives us suddenly answer 6. Or also natural log natural log of natural log of 10, which is 2.30206. You can do by handy, but this is very handy calculations. Okay, I am getting expand little it. How to declare a matrix in this matrix? 1 2 3 row elements can be separated by comma or by space, but if we want to jump from one row to second row, we have to use semicolon chain. Yes, now third row, 2 3 4. Yes, we got 3 cross 3 square matrix. Now we can use this matrix for the further implementation. So how to take the transpose? Here is a small dot we can use to take a transpose. This is a MATLAB. How to take MATLAB transpose? This is how to take a MATLAB or transpose in MATLAB. Also, solution of linear equations. For example, if you have some linear equations and you want to solve it, for example, these two matrices you have 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 6 7 8. This is a random matrix. Okay, this is okay A and B matrix. We are going to consider B matrix 1 2 3 1 to 4. Okay, so if this is the form of linear equation, linear equation, you people got it what I mean. Something like Cramer rule, invariant methods problem, Cramer rule method problems. By this way you can solve. This is x is equal to a backslash operator is used to solve the linear equations. Backslash operator. Okay, backslash operator is present on above the enter key. This is infinity, infinity, infinity. None of number non. What does non mean? What does infinity mean? What does minus mean? This matrix is nan means not a number. Infinity means infinity number. Okay, so this solution is not possible. You can solve by hand and you can check. Matrix is singular working matrix. This matrix is singular. This matrix is singular. Okay, matrix is singular, so we have to prove it. How is singular? Okay, let's take the determinant. Determinant of a matrix. Yes, we got it. This matrix is singular. Why singular? Singular means its determinant is 0. So now you got it. Why MATLAB give this? Okay, nan mean not a number. Infinity means infinity number. Okay, so this is all round about calculations about simple matrix, how to declare matrix, how to perform a calculation matrix. Okay, matrix A cross matrix B. This is matrix A cross matrix B calculation, means product, and we can do similar like matrix product and subtractions and this and that. So let's jump into our real topic of image processing. So here we have image. I just got it. I will drag and drop in MATLAB. Those who are using MATLAB online also can use drag and drop option. Those who are using MATLAB online can use drag and drop option like this. So MATLAB JPG. First of all, how to read image? Imread I is equal to imread MATLAB JPG, MATLAB.jpg. First of all, we have to write what? The name of the image, as the name of the image is MATLAB. Then dot, then format of image. Format like JPG, PNG or other formats you see. But DOICOM images we can't read like this. We will discuss a DOICOM image. DOICOM image are medical images, X-ray images or some other images. Okay, MRI images, X-ray images. In this live stream, next live stream, we will make a project of lung cancer detection by using these techniques. Here we will learn the basics, and the next live stream we will make a project, and I will give you a project too, so you can do by your hand, so you can learn more. Okay, basic guides also editor. So let's run this. Okay, this is run this code. First of all, save this file. Okay, we want to save this file. Okay, let's save MATLAB code. Okay, want to save this file, so let it to be run. So this is run, perfectly run. Okay, so now what can we do with this? What can we do this now? This is image I did read. First of all, I will study read and write images and display images. This image I did read. These are the matrix. You can see. What is the image size? Image size 164 cross 318 cross 3 unit 8. Yes, this is the size of image. So if you want to see the image or want to display the image, imshow command is used to show the image. Let's see. Don't worry, in this live stream we will also discuss how we can identify error, but identify an error from MATLAB code. We will do this also. Yes, this is image we displayed, image of stone. So if we want to add a title of image stones. Okay, we did add a title. Now it's time to write image. Okay, write image, or also we can make a histogram. Okay, let's first make a histogram of image, then we will write image. Histogram, imhist, figure, fig, figure, imhist. Imhist is used to make the histogram of image. Let's do run and see. Yes, this is an image histogram. There are some other types of histogram you can also use, but we will discuss, okay, in later. This is image histogram. Now equal histogram, we can use equal histogram of the image, which adjusts the image and pixel intensity. So how we can write an image equal histogram in the image, which is equal to hist equal function. Okay, I2 is equal to hist equal function of I, which distribute the pixel intensity throughout the image. Then figure, then imshow I2. Okay, this is our first image. See. Okay, let's see the differences between this and this. This is the original image. This is the histogram equal image. Now you can see how it's distribute the images, how it's distribute the image pixel intensity. How it works? It works if the pixel is fully bright. If the pixel is fully bright, it takes the pixel 255 value, and if pixel is dark, it gives is a dark value. You can see this is look more toward realistic, and this is something not good, but this is look like more realistic picture. All right. Okay, now let's make the histogram of this I2. Hist hist of I2. Hist of I2. Here we have to one more figure. So now let's examine the pictures. First of all, this, sorry, something error, I think. Here is error. Why error? We have mhist. Sorry, mhist. We forget to write mhist. Okay. Now you can see this is equal histogram and this is image histogram. See how it's distribute perfectly image pixels. MATLAB is a very powerful tool to perform these calculations. See, now you got it. Now final step is to write image. Then final step is to write images. For example, if you make an image and you want if you make an image, or if you make a image and you want to save it out, like I2, we make a perfect or realistic image and you want to save it out and can use for further classification. So what you can do, mWrite function, mWrite I2 dot. Here you have to put the name of your own interest, like I want to save it 3.jpg, or you want to save it for your own name, flower.jpg, and this is of your own interest. Okay, let's do right and see if there is image is right or not. So here 3.jpg, we see that 3.jpg. You can now imagine it. Wait, just wait. सही है फिर वही पाता हूँ ठीक ठीक पापा I think this is end of today lecture. We learned some basics of MATLAB tutorial, and we will learn some advanced in next hour. Okay, so I will schedule live stream again, and you kindly please come to live stream and watch it clearly. This is a live video for you people, so you will watch it and please okay. So this is all about today. So next time I will schedule stream a little bit before, so you people can come and watch live what is going to happen. don't worry, in this stream of image processing, I will give you a MATLAB project also, and I also told you if you are stuck in your MATLAB project of image processing, so where you can get a code or where you can get a help, and we will also implement algorithm or MATLAB project algorithm, so you can see clearly. So Allah Hafiz, and stop streaming. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Thank you.